Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this used vehicle.
This is the Ford Puma ST Line X. So you've got your 1 litre turbocharged petrol engine with a mild hybrid there as well. So you've got 153 horsepower. You'll have peace of mind motoring this vehicle with the full service history and also the 12 months warranty from ourselves as well. Just starting off at the front of the vehicle, you've got LED daytime running lights with 4 LED headlights as well, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. You have these gorgeous diamond cut alloy wheels as well that finish off the exterior perfectly, with your heated wing mirrors to the side as well as privacy glass from the B pillar backwards as well. A generous amount of boot space available with the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting. There's also split folding seats also available, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases. You've also got the plug in the bottom of the floor there, which is great for rinsing off any walking boots. Moving into the interior, goes lovely part leather part cloth seats with a red stitching as well. There's also ISOFIX points on the outer seats. Moving to the front of the vehicle, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Got the centre armrest there as well to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Just behind the wheel, you benefit from full digital display with multiple driving modes available as well. You've got a sports setting for a more dynamic drive as well. Got digital radio on board as well for your favourite radio stations, and also multiple media options, of course including your Bluetooth for your phone calls and also your music streaming. Got satellite navigation on board as well with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys, and also rear parking sensors as well. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got your manual air conditioning, so nice and easy to adjust there. With a little bit of storage with wireless phone charging also available.
For more information, give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.